Legs weaken first. These 6 foods changed mine completely. 3 months ago, I struggled to walk up 2 flights of stairs without stopping. My legs felt heavy, weak, and unreliable. That's when my physical therapist shared something that completely shifted my understanding of leg strength and nutrition. She explained that leg muscles are among the first to weaken with age because they contain the highest percentage of fast-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers decline faster than other muscle types, which explains why many people notice leg weakness before other mobility issues appear. The solution wasn't complicated exercise routines or expensive supplements. It was 6 specific foods that provide targeted nutrition for muscle protein synthesis and strength maintenance. Here's what transformed my daily routine and leg strength over the past few months. First, Greek yogurt became my morning staple. 1 cup contains approximately 20 grams of complete protein, according to USDA data. Complete proteins provide all essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. I noticed improved recovery after walking within 2 weeks of daily consumption. Eggs emerged as the second game changer. 2 large eggs provide 12 grams of high-quality protein plus leucine, an amino acid that directly signals muscle protein synthesis. Research in the Journal of Nutrition shows leucine plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass in older adults. Salmon entered my weekly routine as the 3rd essential food. A 3.5-ounce serving contains 25 grams of protein plus omega-3 fatty acids that reduce muscle inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties help muscles recover faster and function more efficiently during daily activities. Spinach surprised me as the 4th powerful addition. This leafy green contains nitrates that improve blood flow to muscles, enhancing oxygen delivery during movement. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides significant folate and iron, both essential for energy production in muscle cells. Sweet potatoes became my favorite side dish as the 5th strength supporter. They provide complex carbohydrates that fuel muscle contractions plus potassium for proper muscle function. 1 medium sweet potato contains 400 milligrams of potassium, similar to bananas, but with additional fiber benefits. Almonds rounded out the list as the 6th essential food. A 1/4 cup provides 6 grams of protein plus vitamin E, which protects muscle cells from oxidative damage. The healthy fats also support hormone production necessary for muscle maintenance. Implementing these foods required simple meal planning adjustments. Breakfast became Greek yogurt with almonds and berries. Lunch included spinach salads with hard-boiled eggs. Dinner featured salmon or chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed vegetables. The transformation happened gradually but consistently. Week 1 brought subtle improvements in energy levels. By week 4, climbing stairs felt noticeably easier. After 8 weeks, I could walk longer distances without the familiar leg fatigue that previously limited my activities. Timing these foods strategically enhanced their effectiveness. Consuming protein-rich options like eggs or Greek yogurt within 2 hours after light exercise maximized muscle protein synthesis. Spreading protein intake throughout the day maintained steady amino acid availability for muscle repair. Individual responses vary significantly based on overall health status. People with kidney conditions should monitor protein intake carefully. Those taking blood thinners should consult their doctor before increasing leafy green consumption due to vitamin content. Portion control ensures optimal benefits without excess calories. 1 serving of each food daily provides adequate nutrition without overwhelming your digestive system. Consistency matters more than perfection in building sustainable eating habits. Tracking progress helps maintain motivation and identify what works best for your body. Note improvements in daily activities like walking speed, stair climbing ease, or standing endurance. Small improvements compound over time into significant functional gains. Some people may experience digestive adjustments when increasing protein or fiber intake. Start with smaller portions and gradually increase to allow your system to adapt comfortably to dietary changes. Always consult healthcare providers before making significant dietary modifications. Medical professionals can provide personalized guidance based on your current health status, medications, and specific nutritional needs. These 6 foods changed my relationship with aging and mobility. Strong legs don't require expensive interventions or complex strategies. Sometimes the most effective solutions hide in plain sight at your local grocery store.